Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your kick hit harder in FL Studio. How to make your kick hit harder in FL Studio. So what you need to do is using a compressor. Compressor tool or a limiter tool is actually tools that you make your kick stronger in your project in FL Studio. So I'm going to jump into the software while I show you how to make your kick hit harder in FL Studio. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so whenever we post any new video, you don't miss out. And make sure you finish watching this video so that you don't miss any part of this video. Okay, so now that we are in our software, so what we are going to do is, let's assume this is our kick. So we already have a kick here. So the first thing you're going to do is, let's assume you already have a kick in your project already. Then just come to your kick, then link it to your mixer channel. It's already on our mixer channel. So go to your mixer. Then this particular kick, before you compress, all you simply need to do is to clean up the beat. So I'm going to bring my equalizer to. Equalizer to is usually used for cleaning, for cutting it off and boosting frequency. So I'm going to play it. I'm going to highlight. So I'm going to go to my mixer. So you have the signal here already. So I'm going to go to the channel where the signal is. Then we're going to filter out the wanted frequency first. I'm going to drag. So now that I have cleaned up the frequency, the next I'm going to do is to get my compressor tool. So here is my compressor. So in the compressor, you have to put this particular number 2, which is your ratio, let's say 3 or 4. Then I'm going to bring this one down to compress. So you can see how thick it is, how tiny. So it means that those unwanted frequency under it, I have removed them. Then after I have reduced, I'm going to bring this one back up. You see how strong it is. So I'm going to do before and after. Before. You see how poor it is. Then after. So guys, this is one of the ways you use compressor to make your kick hit harder. Then the second one is also to grab our sound blood driver. There's another tool. It's both a compressor and a limiter. So we're going to put it right here. So after you add your blood driver, you come here to raise this amp up. So you make sure it's not crashing. This is pressing too much. I'm going to put it in a level whereby it will be okay. So it's fair here. I'm going to do before and after. Check it. You can see this particular original kick is poor. So the second one is, I'm going to on it. So guys, this is pretty much on how to make your kick hit harder in your beat. So if you have your beat project already that you've done, all you simply do is just go to your mixer channel, come here. Then before you add your compressor, make sure you filter out unwanted frequency so that you can have enough room space to allow your beat to breathe. So all you simply need to do is come to your compressor. Either you use your compressor or use this blood overdrive. So this is simpler for you to use if you does not understand compressor, just for you to go to this blood overdrive, click here, then add as much as you can. So guys, this is pretty much on how to make your kick hit harder in FL Studio. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever we post any good videos like this, you don't miss out. Also, check the description. We have our Telegram group where we post regular videos, tips and tricks on how to become better in music production. So see you guys in the next video.